Hello, guys. Okay, we are officially live. So, okay, I think we should just wait for a few minutes until most of you get the notification that we have gone live. And yeah, once a few people do join in, I think we should just go about how the market went today, right? So we'll do a simple market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty, and take you through some of the paper trades I did make today, as well as we can check out the latest feature, which is the market replay, and how we can maybe benefit from it, right? So yes. Okay, I'm not sure if many of you would have even heard of what I just said because we are live. So yeah, we should just wait for I think a couple of minutes. Let's just wait. It's 5:50 right now. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes, and I think once more of you join in, I should just start a quick analysis and let's see how it goes. Yeah, good. Okay, you guys can maybe bring in your cup of tea, coffee, maybe samosa here and there, so you can have that, and let's see how it goes. Yes. So yes, you can set up and you can join in. And we shall, yeah, for those of you who are new here, we will just be doing a quick market analysis of what happened today. And yes, we should be starting it in 2 more minutes once everyone just gets the notification and joins in. All right. So yes, so for those of you who have already joined and who did make money in the expiry today, make sure you drop a thumbs up emoji in the chat or a fire emoji, because an expiry, making profit in an expiry is a really good feeling, right? So yes. Okay. So I think yeah, it's around 5:50. 5:56, right? So I think all of you would have are just in the evening mood of just resting, chilling. So yeah, we shall just go through quick analysis of what happened today, right? So I think first let's just go through the charts, so that we get a good idea of what happened. So I think we'll just start with the Nifty charts, because me personally as a trader, I trade Nifty and I'm a little more comfortable on Nifty. So yes, okay. So just first glance itself, I think we can get to know that okay, market opened with the gap down right here. It broke day high around 9:45 itself, and it covered the gap down. Price almost hit. Did it break yesterday's high? No. Okay. Wow. I think it just touched yesterday's high to get yesterday's high, and from there it was a complete downfall, right? And it's around 12:50, so not sure if any US news came in or what exactly happened to cause this downfall. But yes, as you can see, even the RSI was at peak at the same time, and it just fell. It did not break today's low, but yeah, it would have been a fun expiry for those of you who did trade live, right? So I think I've also made a few paper trades today. So we have actually an internal thing where we trade every expiry and see how the trade expiry is, right? So that we understand our product more from a user's perspective. So yes, so okay, I think here this actually formed a very good resistance, right? If you look at it, yes, if you look at that, it formed a very good resistance, which I think in case it does break in the coming days, it would be a very strong up move, right? Because this is 2 days in a row that it has not broken, even though there was a very good up move here from the market open. So yeah, so I actually thought it would break today's low as well, but it did not. That is, which is good. I think yeah, it ended at 17,068 today. So yeah, markets are very volatile these days. We don't know which direction. I think yesterday, yeah, it was a little more sideways if you just look at it. So yeah, this was an straightforward downfall, right? Like if we just from I think 140, it was just a complete move down, which was good, which is yes. So those of you who what do you call bought put options, I bet a lot of you did make money. So if you did make money, as I said before, please drop in those fire emojis. And yes, okay, this is good. So let's just see, I just want to see the OI data, right, of today. Okay, so I think okay, this is what it ended at. Let's say so. Yeah, this is our newest feature, right? So if you want to analyze the market on each and every moment, I'll just show it to you. So if we go to under analysis, we go to market replay. We can literally replay the whole day's data in like a movie, right? You can just as you can see here, you have a play button, you have a 1x to depending on the speed you like, you can choose the speed over here, that is 1x, 2x, 5x, etc. So I think I'll just go to index data and let me just change it to Nifty as we were analyzing Nifty. So okay, I'm just gonna choose 1x and let me just start today's data, right? So yeah, I'll just make the screen a little smaller. Yes, so as you saw today, there was a gap down, and after that, I think as you can see, we get yeah, so we have VIX data as well as PCR data to analyze, right? So I think as soon as as soon as PCR hit one, which it showed a bullish move, and the market also moved along. So yeah, I think PCR is one. Anything above one is what we consider bullish, right? So yeah, as soon as it moved, the PCR data moved above one, we saw okay, market also is moving highly up. So I think this is, so for my preference, this is a little slow, right, for me to understand. So I just change it to 2x, and yes, I'll just resize the um, chart, and yeah, here we can do quick analysis again. So as you can see, as soon as it moved up, wow, it went went outside my screen itself. That's how bullish it was the day. But it's a Thursday. It's an expiry. You never know which side the market can either push or dump, right? So I think until afternoon, it was the bulls. The bulls were winning, and right after afternoon, it was all bears. So yeah, as you can see, around 10, okay, it was still playing around. It was still playing around the 17,130 range. So it actually moved up around 50 points within 45 minutes, right? As we go ahead, 11:30, 11:12. Yeah, it was as after the good push of covering the gap down value, I think it hit 170. So that's almost a 100-point move since the morning. So if you did catch that move, put it down in the comment section so that we know. And other than that, yes, okay, wow, okay, it did break the day high at around 12:30, and I think from here is when it started moving downwards, right? So I think PCR was still around one, which seemed okay, everything was good. So how I would personally analyze, which is not how I would suggest any of you to analyze, but yeah, the direct PCR data would tell me, okay, is market bullish or market bearish today? So yeah, as soon as it moved below one, it showed a bearish sentiment, and I think since that it was just a pure downfall, right? Wow. Just wow. So all you put buyers on in options, I think you guys made a lot of money. But yes, so I think this was still around 253. So I think this is the time I started trading in paper trades, which I also will show you. So yeah, the market ended around 17,062 points, right? So I think I'll just quickly also, you can also see the overview of every chart, right? So let's say you have the Nifty chart, Bank Nifty chart, Fin Nifty chart, and we have the gainers and losers. Oh, let's just see how I think the gainer in the morning, the gainers would have been majority and it would have directly shifted down, right? Let's just see how that looked. So if you look at it, okay. So yeah, so here I think we can see all the data. We have the Nifty data, Bank Nifty data, Fin Nifty data. And as you can see in the morning, as expected of the gap down, we saw losers of around 113, which, yeah, I think it would have been majority until 12 to 1 o'clock, right? So it was okay. Equal amounts of gainers and losers at what time was this? Yeah, this was around 10:20, 10:30 basically. Around 10:30 we had almost an equal number of gainers and losers. And as you can see, all the three indexes were very bullish. So it was around 17,132, 17,130, 145, 17,150, and yes, so this is exactly how you could see the gainers and losers change as well. So yeah, I'll just pause this. You can also visit this page, right? So this is under analysis, there's market replay. Please check it out, and you can play around, right? You can check out how data moved according to wicks or PCR, and who knows, you might just find a strategy for yourself over there. So other than that, I just wanted to show you the trades I took, right? So paper trader trading terminal, trades history. Yes, so yeah, I just I play around with a little bit quantity, but yeah, I think around 3 p.m. when I started trading. Yes, so here, so this was my first trade of 5,000 quantity where I just captured 1.55 points at 259 exactly. So that's when I remembered. So this was just, yeah, one exact trade. I did buy it at 7.3. Which strike price did I buy? Yeah, 1700 C, right? So yeah, that was the strike price I bought it at, and I sold it at 8.85. That is approximately 1.5 points, right? So yes, so these were, I think I took, yeah, around 8 trades. I traded for around 17 minutes and captured 10 point, which was 57,496 in profits, right? So I think yes, here's my trade stats. So average profitable amount was 9,800. I took a total of 6 trades. Oh yeah, 6 profitable trades and 2 loss trades, right? So that is how I had traded today. But yeah, again, that was it was not very serious trades, but yeah, I did my own analysis similar here. I usually generally use the RSI, right? So it just tells me if the market is oversold or is it overbought, and I accordingly trade. I do not completely rely on it, but yes, also so yeah, so this is so one more new cool thing which I wanted to show was the market alerts, right? So let me just show you an example. As we saw, if we just open the Nifty chart today, so let me just move to Nifty quickly. Yes, so as you can see, Nifty chart, as we had just seen before, there was a very high support at 17,205, right? Sorry, not a support, a resistance. So this resistance basically means that a lot of people are selling at 17,205 in order for it to not cross it, right? So let's say if someone buys above it, I would like to enter into a long trade. So but I do not want to keep seeing the market. I might be a little busy here and there, but I just want to know, okay, at 17,206, if the market reaches, that means it broke today's high as well as yesterday's high. And that time I would like to go in long, as this bulls are a little more stronger than bears, as the bears actually did not allow the bulls to cross, right? So what I would quickly do is, it was 17,205, right? So I would go into tools. Under that, I would go to market alerts. I'll create a new alert. Let's say Nifty breakout long trade, right? So I would just name it this. I would choose Nifty. I think I was seeing the spot price, so I would just click spot and once. So here I would click above and I would just choose 17,206, let's say. So here now what would happen is, as soon as Nifty last trading price crosses 17,206 or is 17,206, I would get a notification saying that this has happened, the conditions have met and this has happened. So I would know, okay, this has happened. Now I can quickly enter a trade right now. So I just have to click add alert. And yeah, so yeah, we are live right now, not in market hours, but yeah. So this would basically allow me to not sit in front of the screen full time, but I would quickly just get an alert and I would know, okay, it's time to enter a long trade, right? So yes, so that is markets alerts. One of the ideas on how to use it. So yes, okay, so this was a nice quick live stream on market analysis. I think we covered Nifty today. So yeah, I think the coming days we would cover more and more, and also I think we would go through more analysis on how it works, how each one would help you analyze the market. As we saw the market replay today, we saw how the PCR moment can be directly seen with the Nifty moments and how we can take trades, right? So we also, you can the basket orders allow you to trade with connecting to your own broker and all that, right? So yes, okay, so this has been the live stream, and hope you like this quick market analysis. And if you do want us to do more, please ping in the community channel, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we would release more and more videos like this. So yes, thank you guys, and hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and hope you guys join in the next live stream. Thank you.